everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable startup programs in Windows 10 easy tutorial. So before we begin, let's talk a little bit on why people disable startup programs. So disabling a necessary startup, it actually helps to speed up your computer's boot time, free up memory and processing power, and improve overall performance. Now to do so, we'll just have to open Task Manager, which can be found here onto the bottom part, onto the Start menu of your device, right click onto this, and there is a Task Manager. Or you could go ahead and search that here onto the search bar of your device. Now, once you're in here, you'll have to go onto the Startup tab or Startup Apps. So you should be able to see the one here onto the left side, which is this one. Let's simply click here, and right after, you should be able to see all of the apps or list of programs that launch when your PC or device starts. So you should be able to see status in here, and you should be able to see the ones that are enabled, which are, for example, this one, the OneDrive. Now, to go ahead and disable this, you'll just have to right click on any program that you want to go ahead or you don't need to start when your device starts and select disable. So right click and there you have disable. So you'll just have to simply click onto that and you should be able to see here on the status that it is disabled. So you could go ahead and try to restart your PC right after to apply the changes and notice faster startup performance right after this. And that is just how easy you disable startup programs in Windows 10. Don't forget to check the links in the description later on for extra tips and helpful resources just for you. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.